Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So, our local Walmart's got all their knife packs out for the holiday season coming up, right? They got some Gerber packs, 3 packs, bunch of Ozark Trail knives. I took some footage, some video of the displays, so I'll play those for you. I guess play them right now so you can see how many knives my Walmart put out. But yeah, so check these out. So yeah, they had quite a few out, and I looked at them, and a couple of them kind of caught my interest. So I ended up picking up 3 of the Ozark Trail knives. One's a multi-tool, and there's $5.94. I don't know. I think I showed the price in the video. Under $6. So I ended up getting 3 things. I'm gonna go over one of them in this video, and I'll do the other ones later on. But the other 2, just to show you, one is a 7-inch fixed blade, Tanto, with a plastic sheath. It's got a clip on it, so that looked kind of cool. I grabbed that. And then this 12-in-1 multi-tool comes with a little nylon belt sheath. Of course, it's got Ozark Trail printed on it, but I've seen these before and I've seen videos on them, so I thought $6, I'm checking this one out. But the one I'm gonna look at today that really intrigued me, and I have had this out briefly, I kind of put it back in to show you, so it's a little messed up, is a 7-inch pocket knife. Now, it looks pretty plain Jane, but if you look close, it's got a crossbar lock. They call it a shaft lock. So on the back it just says 3-inch stainless steel blade, doesn't tell what kind of steel, 4-inch plastic handle, shaft lock, pocket clip, and get a closer look at it in there, but basically a deep carry loop over pocket clip. So yeah, thought we'd kind of check this thing out, and yeah, see, just pull it apart. That's what I did. I haven't really messed with it too much. Little plastic chip guard there, but yeah, it's a pretty generic looking knife. It reminds me of a mix between my Civivi Elementum and my Bug Out. And I should have got them out ahead of time, but I'll grab them and show you what I mean in just a minute. But yeah, check overall. Blade sheath's pretty cool. It's a hollow grind. Does have a bit of recurve. There's the crossbar lock. Plastic handles. Lanyard hole through the liners. There's the deep carry pocket clip. I mean, it's pretty deep, right? So it's got good retention. I'm shaking the camera. Good retention on that. Should slide in and out of the pocket good, because plastic's smooth. But yeah, size comparisons, like I was saying, it reminds me of the Elementum. In a lot of ways, especially how the lanyard goes through the two liners. About the same size. Blade shape's similar. This has more of a swedge on top. And this is the S35VN steel version of the Elementum. And here's the bug out, which the bug out is slightly longer blade. But again, to me, I see they're very similar, you know, similar blade shape, except for, you know, flat grind. The Elementum is a hollow grind. This is a hollow grind. Goes up about, a little more than halfway. So, actually should be kind of slicey. The crossbar lock, or what do they call it? Shaft lock. You know, it works. Looks to have nylon washers in it. But yeah, lockup is solid. There's no side to side, no up or down. Blade centering is right down the center. Action, it flips open good. Well, I say that, but yeah, it does flip good. Close, you gotta give it a little bit. Tell you the truth, it's loosening up. I don't have a piece of paper to test the edge, but yeah, I mean, this, I don't know if I'm in frame. Maybe I'll do it on this camera. Overall, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just about 7 inches. Blade is 1, 2, 3 inches. Handle's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's what it said. 4-inch plastic handle, 3-inch stainless steel blade. So, hey, their measurements are closer than some of the ones I've seen in other places. And yeah, line these up here. The Elementum and bug out. But yeah, let's measure the blade stock and stuff. Get zeroed out. I get 0.106 for blade stock. Handle thickness 0.52, so it's a little thicker. Handle height, I get 0.93. Blade height, gets right about here, 0.938. I don't know if I could possibly do behind the edge. I got 20, no, I'm off. I get about 23 thousandths behind the edge. So that's not too awful bad. Weigh this thing. I'm on fluid ounces. I do that all the time. Grams. 91 grams. Come on. There we go. 3.2 ounces. 2.8 for that Elementum. So just a touch over 3 ounces for a 3-inch blade. Does have stainless steel liners. They are not milled out, so that adds to it. Stainless steel pocket clip. But yeah, the grind, the bevel is a little funky on the tip, on this side, on the show side. It's not even with this one, but other than that, does not look too bad. I've seen worse on more expensive knives. I'm going to run, get a piece of paper, see how this edges. Okay, let's see if I even slice a piece of paper. Not bad, but not really good. Hey, come on. Get it started, and let's check my bug out. See, and the elementum. Back to just getting it started. Yeah, it's got somewhat of an edge on there, but $6, less than $6, a little over with tax. Got a 3-inch blade, 4-inch handle, which is already marked up. Got a couple of digs in it. Crossbar lock. Okay action. Deep carry pocket clip. It's huge. It's long. It's more than half the length of the knife. And compare it to one on here. It's a whole lot longer. But yeah. Bring it over here, get a closer look. Blade. I like the blade shape. Thumb studs are okay. The crossbar lock works. Lockup is solid. The handle is plastic, smooth, no grip. Lanyard hole through the liners just like the elementum. Pocket clip works. Pretty much deep carry. And that's that. Got the stainless steel liners. Probably the same steel as the blade, who knows. They're not milled out. A couple of decent sized standoffs. Lockup is excellent. Blade centering is good. Man, $6 made in China knife. Crossbar lock. Yeah, I wish I knew what, I could tell you what steel this is made out of. I'll probably touch the edge up. I'll try it out a little bit. I probably won't EDC it, but I'll put it through its paces real good, and maybe I'll come back and tell you how it made out. Or when I do the other two things, I'll give an update on this one. But yeah, kind of satin finish and a blade. I hate to say it, but I'm kind of impressed by this. $6. This makes some people happy. They'd be happy with this. Think it's a great knife. But yeah, I mean, the pocket clip screws in that recess, but there's plenty of room. Try it real quick. Take out the Tempest Knife's pinion. It's my carry folder for today. And I also have my Essie Azula. Let me just slide it in my shorts pocket here. Yeah, the clip has decent retention, but this plastic being so smooth, it does slide real easy up and down in my pocket. But I guess that's it for this video. Thought I'd show it to you. I bought it so you don't have to. But then again, might make a decent knife for someone, you know, that's not into knives. And I don't know what to tell you. $6 made in China with axis lock or crossbar lock, deep carry pocket clip. It is what it is. But yeah, be on the lookout for the other two, that fixed blade and that multi-tool. I'm kind of interested in checking those out. But yeah, again, if you go looking for it, all it says is 7-inch pocket knife. I don't even see a part number on this thing. OT right here, just what's that say? OT 7-inch pocket knife 6707. So I guess that's the part number. And I guess that'll do it. Do the usual like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And until the next video, bye.